So in 4th grade, we've been working really hard on long division. Now we're getting into long division with remainders. So remember to have your math notebook out and open when you're looking through this video so you can go back and forth and make sure you're understanding the vocab that I'm using while I teach this. So long division with remainders. Let's do an example problem. I have 527 divided by 3. So first, I'm going to do step 1, which is divide. How many times does 5 go into 3? I know 5 goes into 3 one time, so I'm going to write the number 1 right there. My step 2 is to multiply. So now I multiply 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. I'm going to put that 3 right here. Super important to make sure our numbers are nice and neat and in line. After I multiply, my step 3 is to subtract. So I'm going to do 5 minus 3, and I'm going to get 2. My final step is to bring down. So I'm going to draw my little arrow and bring down a 2. Now I go all the way back up to step 1 and I'm dividing. So I say 22 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 22? I know 3 goes into 22 at least 7 times, so I'm going to put a 7 right here. My next step is to multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. My third step is to subtract. 22 minus 21 is 1, and I bring down. So I'm going to say 17 divided by 3, or in other words, how many times does 3 go into 17? I'm thinking 5 is going to be my closest answer. So I divided that, I put my 5 there. Now we multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. I subtract 17 minus 15 to get 2. And I look, is there anything to bring down? Well, it looks like we've brought everything down. Now in the past, we always wanted to end with a 0, and then we'd say we're good to go. But we didn't end with a 0, and we have nothing left to bring down. So I'm going to put a capital R right here. That capital R is our remainder, so that's what's left. And my answer of 527 divided by 3 is 175, remainder 2.